Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring y'all along with me for a quick 10-minute after dark cleaning. I had cooked and we were done eating dinner. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the kitchen back in order. I didn't have much to do because I was cleaning while I was cooking. And y'all know anything that I do, I got to bring y'all along with me. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So y'all, I like to wash my dishes by hand. I'm just not a fan of the dishwasher. I just feel like the amount of time it takes to load the dishwasher and run it, that I just feel like I can just wash them and dry them and put them away myself. So y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like to wash your dishes by hand or if you still use your dishwasher. So I want to thank Sean over at Squeaky Clean Life for convincing me to purchase this barkeeper's friend. Y'all, this stuff is amazing and it had my sink so shiny once I was done cleaning. Y'all should head over to her channel and check her out. Again, it is Squeaky Clean Life. I will have the link to her channel in the description box below. And I also want to shout out another one of my friends here on YouTube, Maya over at Mindfully Maya. Y'all, they have awesome content on their channels and I think y'all should go and check them out. Go show them some love and subscribe and tell them that I sent you. And before I forget, I also wanted to mention Crystal, Renee, and Toya Brown. These ladies also have awesome content on their channels and I think you will enjoy watching. So please head over to their channels when you are done here and show them lots and lots of love and subscribe. And I will have the link to their channels in the description box below.
Through to you. just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you
So now that I've gotten the kitchen clean, the last thing I needed to do was straighten up the family room, and then I'm gonna call it a night.
I got feelings about you. Oh yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together? I wanna be
I found love, for real love.
Okay, y'all, that's all for today. I hope that I was able to give you some cleaning motivation, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching, God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.